guys? So one modification that I've done to cars that I've owned in the past is the window wind deflectors that usually go along the edge of your side windows. And what I really like about it is the fact that it allows you to crack your windows, and even if it's raining, not get rain inside the vehicle, but still have some air come in. So I'm gonna install these ones I found on Amazon. They were from a company called Oxmart. Some generic ones, but they seem like they fit the bill of what I was looking to do. And let's see how it works out. So from the look of the design, it seems that these will actually fit underneath this piece of the Jeep. So it seems like once you peel off the backing, it'll stick on the inside of that edge right there. I'm going to clean off what I can with alcohol first, and then kind of see what I'm working with after that. Lowering the window, you can kind of get in there better. And it's a little porous, so I'm not even sure how much my cleaning with alcohol did. It's not this piece, but it's this actual inside piece over here. That internal outside lip. But if you feel it, it's kind of like a felt kind of surface, so we'll see how it sticks to that. But I've gone ahead and cleaned it with alcohol. I'll have to probably do it again now that I've touched it with my finger. All right, so we're gonna slide it in to that channel right there. And we're going to just press it up in there. And that's it. That's as easy as it is. We'll see how it stays, how it performs. But it looks like it's in there pretty good. I don't really see it coming out. Yep, and it looks like the window rolls up just fine. Cool. That was like literally a 5-minute install. Not bad. The cool thing about these is that they don't really stick out much. So it's not like you're really pushing out from the silhouette of the vehicle.